Welcome to the Top 5 Niches of the Week, the original print-on-demand niches show. It's episode 244, and we've got a mix of current, new, trending print-on-demand niches for you to target to increase your sales, as well as some up-and-coming niches that you may have otherwise overlooked. So, let's get to it. Let's kick things off with an Amazon merch sales update. In the last 7 days, I made 219 sales on Amazon merch. Of course, I more than double my sales usually when you combine like Amazon Seller Central, Etsy, eBay, Walmart, etc., all the other marketplaces. But I like to just share my merch sales since this is more of a merch-centric show, even though all of the niches we cover sell on any platform. So 219 sales in the last 7 days, $731 in royalties on the US market, and about another maybe $100 in royalties, or a little bit more, from the international markets. If you want to follow me on Instagram, linked below, you can keep up to date with my daily sales for motivation. All right, let's check out the top 10. And this is after we filter out the big brands. You see 100 Days of School doing really well as predicted. You've still got a Trump shirt in there, 45.47, also still going strong. Pretty much, I would say what we knew was coming. The 100 Days of School niche, guys, hopefully you did not sleep on it because it is just always doing really well. I mean, every year it surprises people. Look at the BSRs, 2,900. 4,200, 5,800, 7,200. Like the BSRs are what indicates sales velocity, and they're selling quite a few right now. Also, I mean, keep in mind that number one bestseller was uploaded in December of 2024. So just worth noting that you can still upload new designs and get the number one bestseller as they did right there in the that first top left listing. Niche number one this week. You know, I was thinking it was going to be the Gulf of America, but I remember a comment on a previous video. Someone said it was trademarked, which kind of blew my mind because there's been so many newly submitted products that say Gulf of America. However, I did check and it is in fact trademarked. So a lot of these shirts that you're seeing, even though they're making a lot of sales right now, will likely be removed before we know it. Okay, so always do your trademark research and make sure that things are safe. Thank you to the commenter that let me know it was trademarked. I wouldn't have thought it was trademarked, but I mean, hey, somebody was thinking ahead, I guess, because they're making a boatload of money if these are their shirts. I think people are gaming the algorithm, though, because you can see a lot of these people are saying America's Gulf and then getting indexed on Gulf of America. So no, we're skipping that. That is not niche number one. So I had to go back to the drawing board. What am I going to do for niche number one? I Googled Trump news and I see this Have Mercy Marianne Booty or something. Boudet. I don't know. Either way, there's a couple different keywords associated with it. I guess the backstory is something related to the inauguration. I don't know if it's pro-Trump or anti-Trump. Either way, these shirts are selling and it is new, right? These are all newly submitted products. BSRs, 180,000, 240,000, 460,000, etc. So I wouldn't be using people's photos, by the way, but you might be able to like make a shirt that says Have Mercy or, you know what I mean, My Hero, etc., to piggyback off of the search interest in this person and whatever she represents. Apologies for not being informed on the backstory there. I'm guessing it's anti-Trump, but I'm just guessing. I don't know. Niche number two. Speaking of Trump, how about just Trump in general? I know we're still talking about it's 2025, but this is where the eyeballs are. And this is the point of me putting Trump as niche number two. You guys notice that Amazon starts showing us how many units a product has sold in the last month? Check this out. Okay, we're looking at just general Trump shirts rather than me giving you the sub niches. The first Trump shirt there, it says Trump better coverage than 5G. Can you hear us now? 600 plus bought in the past month. The one next to that, Trump dance 4th of July, 400 plus bought in the past month. Okay, I mean, these shirts are just crushing it. That first one was doing 20 sales a day. Second one's doing 10 plus sales a day. Next one says Trump 47, 300 plus bought in the last month. The fourth one says Welcome back, Mr. President. Over 800 bought in the past month. Okay. The fifth one there, Trump's snowflake removal service, over 600 bought in the last month. All I'm doing is showing you guys that we have the real data straight from Amazon. We don't need projections. Okay. They're telling us that these shirts have sold thousands in the last month. And this is just a quick snapshot of like 5 of them. So there's old Trump shirts that are doing well, and there's always new ones popping up based on whatever's happening in the news cycle. So do not sleep on the Trump stuff. Again, out of sight, out of mind. insight in mind. All right. Trump is in the spotlight. People are talking about it. He's saying things. It's turning into t-shirt quotes. You guys know the drill. It's 2025. We're still talking about it because, hey, it's still selling. Moving on to niche number 3. Before we get to niche number 3, check out my free print-on-demand mini course linked in the description. Just give me your email address and I will send it to you 1 lesson a day for 20 days. It is very thorough, completely free. And check out my print-on-demand Facebook group, also linked down there as well. Niche number 3, how about looking ahead to March? Because this is the last top 5 niches of the week for the month of January. That means that we're going to be in February, less than a month away from March, and the month-long niches like National Women's History Month is going to start before we know it. So you want to get your designs up there and get ready for that. So National Women's History Month is March. And typically when there's a month-long niche, the first week of the month is where you're going to see the most sales. So you're going to want to get these products up there early. All right, niche number 4. How about colorectal cancer and kidney cancer awareness month in March? Okay. And it looks like there's certain colors. It looks like blue is colon cancer and it looks like orange is kidney cancer. So both of those are going to be popular in the month of March. There's also some other, health related awareness themed, niches for March as well. We'll talk more about those in a future episode, but these two are pretty big: colorectal cancer awareness and kidney cancer awareness. So I would go ahead and upload some shirts, obviously for a good cause as well, to spread awareness. Moving on, niche number 5. How about ELGSES? I did a video on this earlier in the week and I said, hey guys, number 1, this is a new trend that is selling. It's a little bit of a parody from a fail that somebody did trying to spell Eagles and spelled it ELGSES somehow. The Eagles are currently playing while I record this video. And if you saw my video from earlier in the week, I said if they end up winning and making the Super Bowl, these shirts could explode in popularity. So if you haven't listed one, please list one today, regardless of when you see this video, because, well, I guess if the Eagles lost, it probably wouldn't matter that much. But if they win the game and go to the Super Bowl, this could get absolutely massive. All right, we've seen this happen before where it looks like a trend kind of comes and goes, but then it comes back. This could be one of these. And the second time around would be bigger than the first if they're in the Super Bowl. So niche number 5, ELGSES. Do not say anything about the Philadelphia Eagles, the NFL, etc. People in the know will see it and they will understand. All right. Also, I would be listing these. I guess they do wear black and with the green on it. But you could also list it on I would upload it multiple times. Have some listings that it's a green only shirt. Have some listings where it's black with the green. You know what I mean? I would invert the color scheme. But I would definitely be creating some listings where the only color I make available is green. All right, let's move on to emerging trends. These are shirts that are outperforming their 90-day average BSR significantly. And what do you know? 100 days of school pretty much exclusively, Lunar New Year as well. So, and some Valentine's Day stuff coming down the pipe. All right, moving on. Looking ahead, these are smaller niches, at least a month out. So February 26th is Carnival Day. February 26th is also National Pistachio Day. February 27th, National Chili Day. February 27th also Paxi Day. Paxki. Paxki? What is that? It looks like some pastries. All right, they actually look kind of delicious right now. February 28th is National Tooth Fairy Day. Okay, and it is not a leap year to my knowledge. So remember when we had the leap year every 4 years? It's like another free kind of niche that it's just you can easily bank on for some easy sales. So, all right, the archive. Here we go. Let's look back in time at what was selling well 11 months ago to see what might be selling well 1 month from today. Still waiting on Merch Dominator to filter out the protected brands. Otherwise, all we get is Dr. Seuss. Although that could be because I do believe in March 2nd, I have this written down. March 2nd is Read Across America Day. So we can't sell Dr. Seuss, but if it's Read Across America Day, the Dr. Seuss book-themed shirts, they do sell well pretty much year-round, but they see a nice little bump as well in early March. I believe it's March 2nd. So write that one down. You can still sell shirts related to reading books, okay? So Read Across America Day, March 2nd. All right, removed designs. These are designs that were removed in the last 24 to 48 hours. So check it out. Gasparilla, I've been there once. That was a good time. So they have Trump saying make Gasparilla great again. Not sure why it was removed. I think Gasparilla might have passed. Maybe the date came and went, and that's why? Yeah, January 18th. See? So when you see these deleted ones, it could have been removed by Amazon. It could have also been removed by the uploader. So since Gasparilla passed a week ago, basically, maybe they deleted that to free up an upload slot. What else? Anything? I wouldn't say there's anything specific. I mean, there's a NFL themed shirt right there. We know that those get removed every single day. So don't waste your time on those. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please check out my full print-on-demand course linked in the description to follow how I make six-figure profits every year since 2019. Back in 2019, I had a day job and a second job, still made six-figure profits. Last year, I made $235,000 profit from print-on-demand. I'm a one-man operation, and I got plenty of other stuff going on, and I still made that much from print-on-demand. If you want to learn my exact method, it is linked in the description. And I have a private community where we do multiple weekly live streams, small group coaching. If you would like to join, linked in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another new video.